All right. I just did like a whole 20 minutes recording video, and the audio was complete garbage because my phone was 10 feet away from me and I'm in a machine shop. So we're going to do it this way. We're going to just do selfie mode and see how it goes. So this is for Martine and Dalen because you guys need some entertainment in your shop, and Martine let me know how disappointed you guys were. So I'm going to keep these up, and we'll see how my stress levels go. But hopefully if it's short like this, I can just keep it up. So little update. We're running full production on Medusas, and we've been running production on Gaboons, but we're cranking. We fixed our spacers. We had this whole mess. Here, let me show you. Is it going to swim? No. So we had this, oh, there it is. My fixture, those clamps all pulled out right here. You can see every one of these threaded holes, just straight aluminum, they all pulled out. So we put in these nice threaded inserts, redid the clamps. So now spacers are great. We're running tons of spacers. They're actually even better than they used to be. Less taper and just overall baller. I tried that Gatorade bottle tumbler thing. Seemed to work pretty good. So that's how we're going to do our small parts, at least for a little bit. The machines. So now the Haas is running all of our blades, and we're actually kind of running steel and titanium. So all the blades, all the steel goes on the Haas, and actually the heat treat presses also go on the Haas just because it has more tools. And then all of that titanium goes on the Sile. So by doing that, we're able to kind of hopscotch production, which is kind of sick. So, hey, we're low on blades right now. Put on the Haas, or Gaboon blades. Put on the Haas. But hey, we don't have any Medusa handles, and we have tons of Gaboon handles. So let's make Medusa handles on the Sile. And it's been working. The balance is a lot easier than it used to be. Instead of just like a product line per machine, this is just a lot easier to manage. Plus the tooling is a lot more efficient. We're not double stacking tooling. Pretty sick. So now both machines are kind of running all the time, but we're choosing what to run instead of letting the machines choose it for us. So we get a little bit more control and more efficiency, which I know Lucas is going to be all about the efficiency. We had a good time at Blade Show. Oh, here's our blades, Medusa blades. This is the way we're currently doing it. I'm actually still making them out of the coupon, but I decided to go more kind of hybrid approach. So we're fully cutting them out of the coupon op 1, and then op 2 is just, bam, and then op 3 is hard mill the outside, yada yada yada. And I'm able to get away with it, so there's no like weird chatter or anything. I did the underside blade support. I'm 3D milled a negative profile of the bevel and put it in there, and it seemed to help. So that's the way we're doing our blades right now. Mostly soft milling, especially the bevel, soft milling, heat treat, and then hard milling the Zen cups, the Zen nipple. And we're actually reaming soft the pivot holes, and then we're lapping them to final size. And so that's been working pretty well for us, and that way we never have to touch the pivot hard because we need that to locate for the other features. So other update, Zeke's rolling his CAD course. He's doing really, really well. So he's been making things left and right. So we have new bit driver project, I should say, with a little arm that folds out, and that's pretty fun. And then he's made a little assembly organizer, which is sick. He made a blade bending jig. I don't know if that's going to be mirrored. Blade bending fixture, which is sick. Yeah, he's just been rolling. So TJ Swartz, shout out. That CAD course seems to be working. At least Zeke, it works for Zeke. So can't recommend that enough. If anyone wants to learn CAD, go check out TJ Swartz. I think it's designincad.com or something like that, but just Google TJ Swartz CAD course and it'll show up. So that's kind of the update, and we'll see you at the next one. Maybe we'll do a little bit more manufacturing or CAD and design stuff. Want to keep the conversation rolling. So Dalen, where's your video, man?